Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the total quality management in the different areas as well as in the different context. Here total quality management is associated with the continuous improvement. It is a continuous process. The organization has to do it continuously, and there is no room that the final stage is there because there is always the scope of improvement in everyone's work life in the different areas. The total quality management is associated with a customer. What the customer require, what they are interested in, the organization has to take in consideration the factor affecting the customer demand, changing the demand, what is the requirement over there. According to that, the total quality management should be there. It is this responsibility at the different level. The individual has to take in consideration that if we are improving in the different area, in the area required, that will be beneficial for us. The organization is associated with the prevention of the breakage, prevention of the loss that is associated with the quality management. In the total quality management, the employment is playing a vital individual who are the part of the organization. They involved in the different activities. Their thinking, their knowledge, their awareness is helpful for the organization for the purpose of the improvement. Employees should have knowledge, awareness, as well as they are need to be empowered with the resources so that they can think the positive and they are not afraid of giving the knowledge awareness in the different areas. The quality should be measured according to the different tools available in the respective areas. Individuals should be given the proper training in the different area which will be beneficial for the individuals. There is always the improvement in the value of the things. So the individual as well as the organization should keep in mind how the improvement should be there. There are always certain benchmarks which we wish to achieve, what are our target. Here the benchmarking should be there in the different areas. What are the causes of the problem? What are the corrective methods we can use? The individual has to take in consideration those things. It is the continuous process as well as the management should be involved in the improvement as well as the employees participation is also required. There is the requirement of the connectivity of the employee, management, supplier, consumer, customers also for the total quality management. Everyone is contributing for the betterment of the organization. So here we have to see the total quality management is associated with the better areas, better perfectness in the different area, and that is beneficial for the organization or that is beneficial for the different areas. In the different type of quality management, quality circle play a vital role. The company which introduced it at the initial level was Nippon Wireless as well as Telegraph Company in 1962. Quality circle training is a training in which different individuals are working on the improvement in the quality. Here there are 8 to 10 members who are from the same area of the activity or the work. These groups are associated for the purpose of the quality improvement. They are getting the data, they are solving the problem with themselves. What is the problem? What are the hierarchies of the problems? Brainstorming of the individual. They are discussing with each other in the different areas. Identifying the cause and effect relationship. What is the cause of any problem? What are the effect in those areas, as well as collecting the data from these areas? And what are the solutions for this? Problems are there and results are also discussed over there, and what are the alternatives are available, that is discussed among the individuals. Apart from that, then the presentation or the final implementation of that particular act, and the organizational leader monitor this from different areas. Here in this aspect, one leader is there. People who are there, they are under the supervision of the organization, as well as they are having some charts, figures in the different areas for the solving the problem. They are using different techniques in those areas. Here the objective of this quality circle is to improve the quality, improve the productivity of the firm, that is associated with that aspect. And Kaizen technique. Here it is associated with the two words, Japanese term Kaizen, that is change, as well as that is good improvement. That whatever the change is there, whatever the existing aspect is there, you have to manage the existing aspect over there, as well as the improvement in this, that identifying the existing issues, as well as that retaining the existing issues, as well as improvement in those areas. How that Kaizen is working? It helps to identify the waste. It is associated with the variation. It is associated with the strain, burden on the people and the machine, that how it can be reduced. The Kaizen technique is associated with one aspect, maintenance and improvement. Maintenance aspect is associated that you have to maintain the organization or the work, and well as you have to improve. It is a voluntary process, it is a continuous process, it is done in the office hours, it is under the leadership of the supervisor, and it is to identify and to solve the problem in those respective areas. So individual has to take this in consideration, what is the improvement over there. In the other aspect of the total quality management is associated with the benchmarking. Benchmarking is defined as the process of measuring products, services and processes against those of the organization known to be leaders in one or more aspect their operation, and benchmarking provides the necessary insight to help to understand how your organization compares with a similar organization, if they are in the different business or have the different group of customers. Here it is associated with that aspect. There is a target. The is decided, this is the benchmark, and the organization people are working on those areas. How to achieve this benchmark? The ISO 9001 sets out the criteria for the quality management system and is the only standard in the family that can be certified to. It can be used by any organization, large or small, regardless of its field of activity. In fact, there are over 1 million companies and organizations which are associated with the ISO 9001. This standard is based on the number of the quality management principles, including a strong customer focus the motivation, implication of the top management, process approach, and continuous improvement. Here, this is associated with a certification of ISO at the different level. Just-in-time process. Just-in-time process is a inventory management system which is used to manage the stock. So that there should not be more storage in a particular area. The continuity of the product should be there. The supplies of the material should be going on. That is associated with the saving of the time, money, and the resources. Critical path analysis. Critical path analysis is widely used project management tool that uses the network analysis to help the project managers to handle the complex and the time sensitive operations. It is associated with that area. The purpose of the failure mode and effect analysis is to determine the primary causes leading to the failure, develop the ways of to prevent the future occurrence. If there are certain failures are there in this process, the failures need to be identified. What are the effect of those failures and how these failures can be maintained? Then how to design the process, how to design the manufacturing process. You have to take in consideration that fact, how it will be beneficial for the organization. So here the force field analysis. Force field analysis is useful decision making tool that helps the entrepreneurs to analyze the forces for and against a change. Force field analysis to help to make their decision. Force field analysis was developed by Kurt Lewin in 1940. Here, the entrepreneur can list the forces which are influencing the business and they are strengthening, helpful for the organization. What are the weaknesses over there that can be identified? Brainstorming is a process in which some of the persons are discussing on the point and ultimately then the problems is sorted out. The individuals are working with the free thinking. They are associated with each other and they are working for the betterment of the organization. How might we can get the solutions over there? Brainstorming on a particular topic, on a particular area that is associated with that aspect. Nominal group technique. It is a structured variation of the small group discussion to reach consensus. Here, nominal group technique is that technique there are the problems are occurring, problems are discussed and that are reduced in the panel, that they are reduced over there, that if the problems are there that can be reduced over there and wherever the less problems will be there that will be beneficial over there. So here C chart. C chart is an attribute. Control chart is used with the data collected in subgroups that are the same size. C chart shows how the process measured by the number of per item or the group of the items changes over the time. That it is control chart. Control chart is associated with that how the defects can be measured, can be identified for the purpose of the organization. Here, if we go through the concept associated with the Indian context, here the leadership initiatives are associated with certain aspect. The individual is associated with the foundation, bricks, grinding mortar, roof. When we think about the organization, the individual has to take in consideration the impact of the ethics. The organization should keep in mind what are the ethics over there and what are the integrity, how to integrate them. The people trust that it is owner, it is the stakeholders, whosoever is that, trust should be managed. The bricks, the binding bricks, the binding aspect are there. Bricks which are playing the role in the making the house. The giving them the individual training, giving that the knowledge of the teamwork, giving them the leadership aspect that need to be in consideration. How that is associated quality improvement teams, problem solving teams, as well as natural work teams. These are associated with those aspects. The better aspect, the binding aspect is associated with the communication.